Alright, so let's check out the algorithm because it always works. So we have 6 and 28 hundredths divided into 4 equal groups. Alright, now I don't even know if they did the pictures for us. I doubt they did because I think that was all the slides. So I'll draw the picture too after we're done. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our divisor, which is the number of groups that we are splitting into, and we are going to use our divisor to get us through DMSB. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. So 4 goes into 6. 4 goes into 6 one time. 4 fits into 6 one time without going over. So that's our division step. 4 times 1 gives us 4. That's our multiplication step. Subtraction step, 6 minus 4 gives us 2. Subtraction step done. And then we're going to bring down. Remember, when we're dealing with decimal division, we pretend like the decimal point doesn't even exist until the end. All right, so we brought down the 2. Now, 4 goes into 22. How many times? Well, I know 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. So 4 can fit into 22 5 times without going over. And I put the 5 directly above the 2. I'm keeping place value as well on your long division or sonic division setup. All right, so 4 times 5 is 20. So we are going to subtract 20 from 22. But 4 times 5 gave us 20, which is what we are subtracting. So after we subtract 22 minus 20 is 2. And then we are going to bring down our 8. I'm going to draw an arrow down to the line, put the 8 underneath, and now I'm looking at the whole number, 28. So I start back with the 4 with division. 4 goes into 28. Like I said before, 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. So we actually found a good number. 4 times 7 is 28. So now we're just going to subtract. And we get 0 because we're doing decimals. With decimals, we'll never have a remainder. Later this week, I'll show you what to do if you do have a number down here that is not 0. But for now, the last step is bring up the decimal point. Take the elevator from the dividend to the quotient. So now we have our answer 1 and 57 hundredths. So if we took 1 and 57 hundredths and multiplied times 4, we can check our work. And just like that, we realize that we have the correct answer. Now in picture form, what we would do, we would start off by getting rid of 1 at a time until we couldn't anymore. Let me move my algorithm over. All right. And then after that, I would have to regroup. So I would turn this one into 10 tenths. And then this one into 10 tenths as well. So now I have a total of 22 tenths. So I would spread out the tenths until I get rid of 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me make this one a little clearer. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so actually I should take away that 21 because I'm... Oh no, is there not an eraser? Okay, so we're going to pretend like I didn't do that. I'm going to have to split up. Basically, I got rid of 20 because I have 4 groups. Now I'm going to have to split up this 1/10 to make 10 hundredths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I have 20 hundredths left over now. Or 21 hundredths, sorry. 21 hundredths left over. So I need to figure out how many hundredths I can put in each group when I have 21 hundredths. So come back and we'll split out those hundredths.